UAVS stock, is it a buy or a sell? Where is it going from Thursday and onward? How am I taking advantage of AG Eagle Aerial System stock? Right, it is 14% down for sure. And what was my idea on it? Like ultimately it was just, I've done 29,000 videos, so I've done thousands of situations like this, and it's pretty bearish chart. Now, just for context, all I'm sticking to is also the strategy that's given me thousands of good predictions. So you have to understand the only time that I'm really going to consider this as a bullish market, it is going to be if we start breaking above 33 cents. And we're not there just yet. So what would I do is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to learn the strategy and want to make more money by take the first link in the description. It's a free course and all reviews are 5 stars. So yeah, I'll still keep this on the chart, not necessarily a short, it's just the bias on it. It's pretty bearish. Like I'm not really interested in this at all. It's not giving me the rules. So